Hey guys, I want to show you a bird, maybe. Just a bird that got hit. See him in there? He hit the window. Yeah, there. Is that better? Yeah, pretty cool. He has that red eye. Right there, you might be able to see there might be a feather mark. But
I saw the mom fall into that nest.
huh.
Right.
Let's see. I guess we pet him. Hey buddy, I think he's hurt. He was right there, but he went like woo, flew underneath the stairs to a safer spot. But we did touch him, yeah. So we've been watching over him. Oh no, bigger predators can get him. So sorry for him. Like and subscribe and check out my other videos, like my times table one and Mad Crabs, like the latest videos I made. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe.